The Education Minister is describing as baseless and unfortunate recent comments from the opposition about the government's rural school bus system. The issue has been a hot-button topic on the campaign trail. Recently, opposition leader Marco Golding described the buses as old. Education Minister Senator Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon is disappointed by that and other comments.
These buses are used in the United States and Canada. They are manufactured in accordance with the safety specifications of the U.S. Department of Transportation, and they undergo a rigorous maintenance and inspection regime before and after arriving in Jamaica. Our student safety is our foremost priority. Upon arrival, each bus undergoes a comprehensive inspection and fitness testing consistent with international best practices, and they will be serviced regularly to ensure continued reliability. These buses will be equipped with GPS tracking that allows parents to monitor their child's journey in real time.
The first 25 of 110 buses for the rural school bus system arrived on Tuesday, June 24.